Yeah, what's going on? So today we got a video from Midwest Safety, and the title of it is Officer in the Fight of His Life. Man, golly, what's going on now, man? We got WWE Royal Rumble type stuff going on. Let's get into it, man.
Think I'm playing, bro?
A clearly agitated man walks into the Youngstown Police Department lobby, demanding to speak to the chief of police. However, the officer working the window had his own opinion about who he should see.
I need to make a complaint so we can get finished today.
What can get finished?
Manifestation bullshit.
Manifestation?
Yes, manifestation bullshit.
Okay, I'm not exactly sure what you're talking about.
You need to talk to like your chief or something.
The chief only talks to people if they make an appointment. You have to make an appointment with the chief to see him.
You're gonna have to call him or something.
Okay.
Wasting my time. You can call him. My phone's broke.
You know what? Let me call somebody from my...
I think this dude on drugs or something, man. My guy ready to crash out.
She's not in her office. Yeah, but everybody you need to talk to, that you want to talk to, are, you have to make an appointment to see them. Well, that's the way it's going to be. You can say no all you want.
I'll stand there.
Okay. I have someone who actually needs help. Can you have him? Sir, don't be difficult. Just, there's no one that will talk to you.
Probably will.
No.
Yeah.
Because you're talking about some kind of manifestation. It's that, you know what that tells me?
What?
That you're mental.
You're fucking retarded. Say that shit again.
You're mental.
Say it to my face.
Oh, officer not scary. What are you talking about? He not scary. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Officer said he on that, boy. Oh yeah.
Say it.
You have to leave now, sir.
Or what?
You have to leave now, sir.
Call someone right the f.
I'm not calling anyone.
Yeah,
you have to leave.
Why?
Leave.
Make me leave.
Leave.
Make me leave.
Make you leave?
Yeah.
Hold on now. Hey, I thought my guy was gonna come out there and tell him he mental to his face. He came out there and he ain't, you know what I'm saying? He just, oh, you gotta leave, you know. Nah, I thought dude was like, come say it to my word. Bet. Say less. I'm thinking he gonna come out there like, oh yeah, you mental, now what? And I'm thinking it's about to get cracking. Like, come on, bro. I had, you know what I'm saying? I still got respect for him, but for going out there. But I'm thinking he about to, you know, he's standing on business. Like, he ain't standing on business right now, man. He BSing, dog.
Make me leave.
Make sure this is on. You have to leave, sir.
Make me leave. Say that shit again.
You called me.
Say that shit again.
You're mental.
Oh, hold up. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, you think,
Mental, bro.
Woo!
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, act right.
Think
boy.
I'm playing, bro? Huh? Ain't nobody fucking mental. Fucking call somebody so I can fucking talk to someone.
Get off me.
Oh, yeah, boy.
Say that shit again. Say that shit again.
Oh, yeah.
We can do this
Oh,
all
yeah,
day.
that officer ain't want
Yeah.
no smoke, boy.
Yeah.
Oh, come on, y'all. Where the full Bodycam?
Bullshit. Not today.
You know what, though? you know what though? I get that officer's props, bruh. He said, dude, civilian was like, say that again, bruh. Officer stood on business, say you mental. Now he got them paws put on him now. He got the beats now. But he did, he mustered up the courage to actually say it to his face. I give him credit.
Yeah. Do I hear this shit out here?
Who is it? Yeah.
I have no idea.
All right, we're just gonna roll him over. Take my gun belt. Get him in. Before I get off of him. Hand me my handcuff.
You're getting press charges on big boy.
All right. Roll on your stomach, bud. Roll over, my man.
Get the f off me, man. Get off me.
Roll on your stomach.
How the f I'm gonna roll over?
There you go.
Here, give me that.
Yep. I got something for you Monday, boy.
You did it today.
I got something for all of you.
Let's go.
I'm gonna see you again.
Hope so. Thank you.
So like ass punch. Yeah, okay. Watch.
Nah, he gave them boys that work.
That's what it is. Yeah, grab my. I'm calling the cops on that. Huh? You want to look down there or something?
Are you on?
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, stay on. You do first punch. That's why I got you.
He came in wanting to speak to somebody over me.
Don't try and
And
talk
he
now.
starts talking about some kind of manifestation happening.
Exactly.
So I told him,
Exactly.
nobody's going to talk to you because you're acting like a mental.
No, I'm
He
not.
got mad because I called him mental.
Exactly.
All right.
We got him.
We're probably going to need a transport,
Probably
and he
won't.
does have some mental health.
No, I don't. All right, bro.
All right, we're going out the front door. Come on.
He got the mental health. He got the mental health. The officer stepped up to the plate. Now he instigated it, of course. He didn't have to leave, you know what I'm saying, and go out there and really say it to his face and all that stuff. But it showed that he stood on business. And then the civilian, what he gonna do? He put them paws on him, you hear me? And then the backup came, whatever. But, the officer should know better. I know it's all fun and games and everything, but the officer should know better and he should be held to a higher standard. Should he have done that? No. But, hey, he ain't pussy.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.